I'm Kayla Waller with Waller Adventures, and today we are looking at our summer garden. Today we're going to be talking about our loofah plant. Okay guys, here is our loofah plant. This plant we grew from seeds, which I got off of Amazon. If you are curious about getting the seeds, I will post a link in the description on where I purchased them from. We planted it early spring and it has finally reached this point. We do have one loofah popping up. We also have some flowers. It has some really pretty flowers. This is my first time growing this plant. I actually heard about it from work, from one of my co-workers. His wife actually has one. She actually harvests them and makes loofah sponges with them and puts soap in the loofah sponge. So that is our goal with this plant. Hopefully we'll get some more loofahs off of it so I can actually make a ton of loofah sponges for Christmas. So we got our first loofah out of our garden. It will look this color when it's ready to be picked. If you want to pick it before it gets this way, you can. You can grill it up like you would zucchini. But we're going to make sponges out of them, so we have to let them rot to get like this before we can pick them off the vine. So after I picked it off the vine, I let it sit for 2 or 3 days so it can get hard and crunchy. So once it is hard and crunchy, you're going to want to loosen up the seeds inside of it, which I've already done, if you can hear it in the mic. I don't know if you can, but the seeds are really loose in it now. So the next step is to take off the shell. So once you peel back the skin, you'll see this. This is the exoskeleton part of it, I guess, is what we're going to call it. But this is what makes loofah sponges. And once we get the seeds out, then you will get this. So this is the exoskeleton that was inside of the loofah itself. So you can make loofah sponges out of this. They are good for bathing, obviously, or they're good for cleaning tile, your bathroom tile or your kitchen tile. Our plan with these is we're going to make bath sponges, but since this one is so small, we're going to make hand soap sponges out of them. So stick around for that video. We'll show you how we make these into bath sponges. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video on our loofah plants. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Did you like that gardening video? Then check us out on our YouTube channel at Waller Adventures. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we post more videos. Also check us out on our Facebook page and on our Instagram page. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you real soon.